Of course, that's something reserved for only communists.
That would be a wonderful place for ambient energy to find its way inside. Also, how does...
But then what are all these people dying from? You know, some people have said, but flu and pneumonia deaths have dropped off. They haven't. I mean, I looked at the data. I just did not see any of that being
That
true.
car looks like it's
Manual recording will now start.
Exploring the region in general. Also, you've probably noticed it by now, but this game has a real-time day and night cycle, which just adds to the atmosphere.
Come on, dude.
Okay, so moving forward...
Manual recording will now start. Manual recording will now start.
He wants to rub it in, too. Granny is upset about this. The cow falls from the ceiling, and that's it. Now we're...
But I think that's my intent as well. I'm absolutely wrong in a ton of things, but I try not to misframe things, and I try to make sure that...
Ear brushing, ear cupping, visual mouth sounds, trigger words. Oh my god, there's so much spawning because it's a deterrent, as it should be. But if I go back here, there's just lasers blocking. So what do I do? There's a
costs for the fight against the virus. The pandemic necessitates that we allocate more resources to...
Why are you over?
If a real guard sees almost any movement or hears your footsteps, that's it. They'll probably find you almost immediately.
Phone conversations ended sour.
Oh boy, the sheriff's got somewhere to go.
Exactly.
Okay, that's nice. There are 4 sheriff vehicles.